Hello and welcome, I'm Tim and this is SV Paquita with Captain Foley.
Hello, hello.
The beautiful Cristalita. And over there, the Irish lads.
Hey, boys.
And we are over here waiting for a tour to start with this guy over here. And there's a pressure washer or something that's really driving me crazy, but I think that's just the way it is. And so hopefully you can hear all this all right. But today's a special day, it's my birthday, and I want to do a historic tour. Well, a tour around here anyway. And if you look, Palermo has these beautiful streets. Isn't that cool? Isn't that awesome? Around here, trying to stay in the shade here. It's gorgeous. Anyway, our plan is to do this for a couple hours and then maybe go get some provisions for the boat. And then tonight we'll go out and celebrate my 59th birthday. And so there's still, it's about 12 o'clock our time, so you still have about 6 hours. If you see this, you have about 6 hours. If you'd like to be part of the celebration, be sure to hit the super thanks button, and we will include you with a toast. We're going to be going out drinking, and a whole bunch of you guys have already done this, and we thank you so much. We're going to go and toast every one of you guys that have wanted to drink with us. So let's go over and see how the Irish lads are doing. Oh, there goes that damn pressure washer again. How are the Irish lads this morning?
His birthday.
And so I told Cristalita had the idea that when we go out tonight, we will all dress in white. Unfortunately, somewhere between her saying that to me and me saying it to them, I didn't tell them that that's going to happen tonight. So they're already in their white, which I think is
never wear these t-shirts.
Exactly. I thought the white was just a symbol of your purity, gentlemen. Oh,
happy birthday, my baby boy.
The Cristalita's there. So yeah, we're just waiting. We have a few more minutes. I had tried to set us up with a 10:30 in the morning tour, and
a ridiculous hour. Very early for us.
And anyway, I don't think I read the whole thing right. Luckily, the guys stepped in, made the appointment, got us here, and now we're ready to go. And our tour should start at any minute. Now, one thing that they have no shortage of are these little Vespas. They're all around the place. But that's that. So Captain Foley spent the night at the hotel, and gonna spend the night there again. Then after that, I think he's gonna go sailing with us. Is that right?
Sailing.
I have not been past the sea buoy with this guy too many times.
No, we don't like going past the sea buoy. Nice and calm. Calm sailing.
He likes fair weather, as do we. So I think tomorrow there's not supposed to be any wind anyway, so it's probably gonna be motoring anyway, and
which is fine.
we keep making our way east, and then he'll be with us for about a week. So we're all excited about that. Anyway, I think this tour is gonna get about ready, and if you have sometime, we're trying to go live tonight, probably around 6, 7 o'clock our time, so probably 12, 1 o'clock U.S. East Coast time. And we would love to have you there celebrating with us, and we'll keep the cameras rolling until we get too ridiculous. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Take care, be safe, and as always, I'll see you on the one.